In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to add subscribers to Mailchimp step by step so you can start growing your email list effortlessly. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll know how to maximize your Mailchimp account, and I've got an exclusive bonus for you that you won't want to miss. To add subscribers to Mailchimp, the first thing you need to do is log into your Mailchimp account. If you don't have one yet, check out the link in the description below for a completely free trial and some exclusive bonuses that will help you get started. You'll want to use this trial to get the most out of Mailchimp without any commitments. Next thing, once you're logged in, click on the Audience tab at the top. This is where you can manage all your subscribers. If you haven't created an audience yet, Mailchimp will prompt you to do so. Don't worry, it's a quick setup process. Having a clean audience list is key for targeting your emails effectively. The third thing, once you're in your audience, look for the Manage Audience drop down on the right side. From here, click Add a Subscriber. Now, you'll be able to manually add subscribers by entering their email addresses. You can also add more details, like their name and other important info, if you'd like to segment them later. It's always best to have as much data as possible for targeted campaigns. Now let's talk about importing multiple subscribers at once. If you have a big list that needs to be added to Mailchimp, you don't need to enter them one by one. Instead, go back to your Audience tab and click the Import button. From here, you can choose to upload a CSV file with all your subscribers, or if you're using a different platform like Google Sheets, you can sync your contacts directly. Make sure your data is clean and correctly formatted to avoid any issues during the upload process. Next thing, if you're using a sign-up form on your website or social media, Mailchimp makes it super easy to integrate with your site. Just click on Sign Up Forms under the Audience tab, choose Embedded Forms, and Mailchimp will generate HTML code for you to place on your website. This way, subscribers can opt in directly, and they'll automatically be added to your audience in Mailchimp. It's seamless. Now let's get into something a lot of people don't know, using automations. If you want to add subscribers automatically from sources like your website or other integrations, you can set up automation. Head over to the Automations tab and choose the type of automation you want, such as adding new subscribers who filled out a form on your site or from social media signups. It's a huge time saver and allows you to focus on more important tasks while Mailchimp works in the background. Finally, let's talk about segmentation. Once your subscribers are added, you can start sorting them into groups based on their interests, behaviors, or how they signed up. This helps you send highly targeted emails that get better engagement and results. You can create segments in your audience by going to the Manage Audience tab and selecting Segments. This is crucial if you want to ensure your emails are relevant to each subscriber. Before we wrap up, remember, you can use Mailchimp completely free from the first link below. That's right, you get access to their features, plus our exclusive bonuses to help you get the most out of your Mailchimp experience. So don't forget to grab your free trial. In conclusion, adding subscribers to Mailchimp is simple, whether you're adding them manually, importing a list, or using sign-up forms and automation. Just remember, clean data and segmentation are the keys to maximizing your results. And don't forget to take advantage of that exclusive, extended free trial through the link below. Start growing your email list today.